when the body feel tight
and the stress come heavy.
you don't need worry,
No, just call the healers. Life Rex in LA, you know. I woke up this morning back feeling wrong. Stiff in my neck, couldn't move too long. Stress in my shoulders, feeling so tight. I need some healing, I need it tonight. So I pick up the phone and I make that call. Massage therapy that comes to all. No traffic, no noise, no spa wait line. Just sweet relaxation every time. Call Life Rex when your body needs love. We bring good vibes from the heavens above. Call Life Rex from downtown to the Bay. Mobile massage straight to LA. Feel alright when we pull up near. Pressure so nice we erase your fear. Life Rex so you know it's true. Relax, recover, feel brand new. From Koreatown up to Malibu, we roll with the herbs and the oils too. Licensed hands that know where it hurts. We press the pain, we heal with the work. You sitting too long or you're lifting too hard. Our therapy come right to your yard. A little about playing sage in the air. We fix your back with holistic care. Call Life Rex when your body feels pain. We flow through your stress like gentle rain. Call Life Rex straight to your zone. Massage in LA in the peace of your home. Feel alright, just breathe and be. No more tension, you're feeling free. Life Rex for the soul and spine. We bring relief one breath at a time. Big love to all the hard workers out there. Let Life Rex take care of your temple, body, mind, and vibes straight in your home. One love, one call, Life Rex.